What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, as the market is not really looking great right now, there's definitely a lot of chatter, a lot of expectations on what will happen in the future of crypto or for the future of crypto. When it comes to something like Bitcoin having a spot, Bitcoin ETF or multiple ETFs, it's a game changer for cryptocurrency and honestly opens a door for a lot of other players in the game as well, and what they could do within the traditional investor space to create adoption and create interest. Because it's not about people buying the ETF there. It's about traditionalists that are not normally going out of their way to buy cryptocurrency. Like if you have a certain cryptocurrency that you can't buy on a platform, you have to make an account over here. You have to have a certain account over here to buy this cryptocurrency and then this cryptocurrency. And it's just so many different accounts that you end up having, especially in the early stages of things. What this does for a lot of people, especially in the traditional investing space, is this allows you to invest into crypto, but not directly invest into that cryptocurrency. Still be invested into a lot of the top players in the game. It's like you deciding to invest into Amazon in the beginning stages of things, right? After, their seed rounds, after they have a proof of concept and all of that, you're investing at that point, which is a good thing. You're still investing early, but you're not investing at the earliest time that you can or being invested directly into the position. Like you're not going to them and going, hey, I'll give you $1,000 if I can own like 5% of your business. No, it's past that. Where it is now you're investing a small portion into it. And yes, you can still gain something, but it's not going to be as much as if you would have invested into this in the beginning, right? Been a part of this since the beginning. So, with that being said, it's opening a lot of doors for other major cryptocurrencies in the market, like an Ethereum, like an XRP, like a Solana. And from what I'm hearing, we have a lot of conversation around XRP being next to kind of jump into that ETF space. While you do have Ethereum also there, probably going to be really the next one that does get an ETF approved. But then you're going to have XRP that really does come more into the conversation in at least one area, as we know right now. So let's talk about XRP in this video. Let's talk about these ETFs. Let's look at the market and get a sense of where things are and kind of what I decided to do. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to sign up for Patreon, feel free to sign up for my Patreon. The link to that is down below, where you get a plethora of things, right? I have different collections that you can go into leverage trading, into my market updates, or into a new buy, which I did just recently make a buy today. But depending on which level you get, so if you get the most popular level, which is profit hands, you pretty much get everything besides the one-on-ones and extended portfolio updates and different educational videos. But you'll get a plethora of new videos pretty much every single day, at least every single weekday. But then we have a bunch of people that are part of this. We have 222 members and 81 paid members. So feel free to come over here and, check it out for yourself. See if you like it. Communicate with me through the community chats as well as just private messages. And we can talk about what you're dealing with and what's going on with you. Also, if you want to start trading, cryptocurrency via leverage, you can trade with Margex. It's a link that I have in the description. They are a partner with the channel, so feel free to use that link, and it does help out the channel tremendously, as well as you get a quality exchange from it. No KYC, you don't have to worry about that, and you could leverage trade by buying and shorting the market if you really want to. Anyways, if we look at where Bitcoin is currently, it's at $43,430. This is definitely far away from where it was at kind of the high point of this area where we are, where we saw $49,000 per Bitcoin, and then it started to decrease quite heavily, and now it's down 7% over the last 24 hours. So it's not really looking great. After the Bitcoin spot ETF, now there's not really as much hype around that getting approved and that type of news. Now people are on to the next set of news. And the next set of news would be that we have an XRP ETF. Potentially, we have an Ethereum ETF potentially, we have a Solana ETF potentially, and a lot of people are like, what's the likelihood that we get this type of ETF? Even to where people are now discussing if we're going to get a Shiba Inu ETF, and I'm like, what are you talking about? But let's back up here and let's understand what the top of the market actually is. And I understand Shiba Inu is worth $5.5 billion, but let's slow it down a little bit and understand that, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, AVAX, XRP, all of those are the ones that are probably going to be leading the charge in getting an ETF first, right? So let's talk about why there's so much chatter around this and what type of detail I have that's telling me that there is this chatter. So if we go into this article, which comes from fxempire.com, XRP spot ETFs in the pipeline. Speculation about XRP spot ETFs continued into Thursday. Valkyrie, Chief Investment Officer Steve McClurg, talked about the approval of BTC spot ETFs, opening the door to crypto spot ETFs. McClurg pointed out that that immediate market focus will be on Ethereum. However, they included XRP in the future of the crypto spot ETF market, saying, you notice that Grayscale added Ripple to one of their trusts that is publicly traded. So it wouldn't surprise me if I saw a Ripple or Ethereum spot ETFs out there. So this is telling us that we are going to have this Bitcoin spot ETF. It doesn't mean that it's 100% confirmed that we are going to see that, but that's definitely where the chatter is. That's definitely where the next level is. It's like Ripple has the popularity, Ethereum has the popularity, Ripple has the use case, Ethereum has the use case. Grayscale included XRP in its digital large cap fund, GDLC, that really tells you, what their interests are. And meaning that Ripple, meaning that Ethereum, meaning that XRP will be right there and ready to have an ETF approved. Now, will that be approved? I'm not 100% sure because right now the SEC is in litigation with Ripple. So why would they approve the ETF if they are in litigation with Ripple? Now, if that's going to be resolved and you have all of that hit at once, it's going to be a massive push to the overall market. Or are we going to see some sort of manipulation where it's like we want to control this and we want to be able to gain the most out of this. So that's why they may delay it or not do it or deny it or whatever, right? I believe that it's right down the line that we will see an XRP ETF, but I don't think we need to bank on it in order to see XRP flourish. I really don't think that's the case. But let me know your opinion. If you really do think that we need an XRP ETF, I think the only reason we would need one is for stability. Stability is key in investing, is key in, a lot of these spaces, because you think about it, like if it's just the stock market, if you have consistency, you know that people are going to invest in there for the long term. If you don't have consistency, then it's going to be more of a day trader and swing traders market. So you need to have that consistency. And that's what a Bitcoin spot ETF, what a Ethereum spot ETF, and an XRP spot ETF does for that specific cryptocurrency. And honestly, overall, the crypto market. So guys, let me know what you think about it. Do you think we're going to see one, or do you think it's, completely ridiculous that anybody would mention an XRP spot ETF? Because that's where the conversation is leaning towards. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, remember, if you want to check out my Patreon, the link is down below. Don't forget about my Margex as well. That link is in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.